Start your manicure service by using ProSpa micro-exfoliating hand polish to buff out any dry skin. Just squeeze out a quarter size in your hands and then rub them together, making sure to cover the top of the hands and the wrists as well. Then rinse off with warm water. Pat your hands dry to get ready to use the ProSpa Advanced Softening Gloves. These are especially great when you're in a time crunch but still desire hydrated skin. Insert each hand in a glove and secure the tabs. Tear off the tops of each glove to expose the fingertips. Cleanse your nail using alcohol to prepare for the cuticle cleanup. Apply 1 dab of ProSpa exfoliating cuticle cream to each finger. For cuticles needing some extra TLC, give it a minute to absorb before moving on. Use a cuticle pusher to gently push back each cuticle and repeat on your other hand. Remove your hands from the gloves, cleanse the nail with alcohol, and rub in any excess product. Cleanse the nail with alcohol to prepare for polish application. Begin by applying 1 coat of natural nail base coat and let it dry. Base coat dries fairly quickly, so as soon as you notice it's no longer shiny, go ahead and apply your first coat of color. When applying your first coat, don't worry if it looks a bit streaky. The second coat will help provide full coverage. Let the second coat dry, then apply top coat. Once the top coat has dried, hydrate your cuticles using ProSpa Nail and Cuticle Oil. Then rub it in. Apply a dime-size amount of ProSpa Protective Hand Serum and rub onto the tops of your hands. The skin on the tops of our hands are thinner, so serums penetrate deepest to help nourish and condition the skin. Finish the mani with a few mists of ProSpa Moisture Bonding Ceramide Spray. Think of this as a setting spray, which holds in all the moisture you just worked hard to gain. And voila! You're done and ready to go to show off your brighter, softer skin.